Hello to you. I'm Dan. This is a brief instructional video where I'm going to share with you the easiest and most convenient way that I've found to light charcoal for outdoors cooking. For this method, you'll need your barbecue fuel, either briquettes or hardwood charcoal. You'll need a charcoal chimney or charcoal starter of your choice, 2 pieces of newspaper, matches or lighter, some fire starter, and of course, safety gloves. You'll also need a suitable surface to light the charcoal on. You can use a patch of dirt if you're out and about or just in the garden. I use a landscaping stone, a river rock that's got a flat surface on it. Another good idea would be a concrete tile from a hardware store. Alright, step 1. Scrunch up the newspaper, put it in the bottom of the charcoal starter. Step 2. Fill your charcoal starter. It's a good idea to pack it quite dense at the bottom. And step 3. Light the fire starter and place the charcoal over the top. And now we wait. I allow 30 mins for hardwood charcoal and 40 minutes for briquettes, plus an extra 10 minutes to preheat an enclosed barbecue before putting the food on.
Ready?
Wow! Yeah! Briquette fuels usually don't have the flames that the hardwood charcoal does. You've got to check that it's discolored, and that means it's lit and ready. That's looking pretty good! If you're just starting out, I recommend filling the charcoal starter 3/4 full and learning to adjust from there. Alright, moment of truth. Good. It's very good. Alright, that should get you started. This is the best way that I've found to do it, but perhaps you've got a better way. If you do, be sure to share it with us in the comments section. Alright, good on you. See ya.